The actual collusion that was revealed by the Mueller report is actually the collusion of the Democrats with the Trump administration. Because by focusing so strongly on the conspiracy theory of Russia and Trump, what they did is push a whole series of assumptions into the minds of the American public. And these are the standard propaganda assumptions of the system. So, if one wanted to criticize interferences in so called American democracy, the first place to look would be corporate control of the parties, which is almost absolute, and which the media, of course, cannot talk about because they themselves are crucial actors in that interference or that control, as well as things such as the overthrow of foreign governments, interference or sabotage of foreign democracies, which the media, once again, are also complicit. So, by focusing on a conspiracy theory, they divert attention from the real issues which they themselves are complicit in. And this is akin to the old propaganda technique that Chomsky and Herman revealed in the book Manufacturing Consent, which consists of a vigorous debate within a framework of fixed and unquestionable presuppositions. And it is those presuppositions that are the propaganda line. They talked about the Vietnam War, in which the right would say, "You're selling us out, we can win if we fight harder." The left would say, "Yes, we're noble and we spread democracy, but it's costing us too much, we should pull out." And so, by having that vigorous debate, that acts as a distraction from their real assumptions being pushed, which are that the United States is a noble actor in international affairs, that it is not an imperialistic power, that mass murders people and has materialistic and territorial motivations, and so on. And so, really, that is the collusion. We should look at both parties, as well as the corporate media that supports either Democrats or Republicans, as basically one party with two factions that collude to have certain basic principles of elite privilege. And the distractions come in the form of irrelevant or meaningless conversations and debates.